A year ago, we started to wonder what would your career trajectory look like if you had access to the right learning elements, industry-relevant mentors, and a like-minded community. You could simply harness its power and accelerate your career. Welcome to Seekho. Sign up on the Seekho app, choose a domain, set a daily learning goal, and you, my friend, are all set. All you gotta do is complete your daily learning targets before the day ends and leave the rest upon us. Learn whatever you want in any format you want. Free for 5 minutes. Complete one of our micro series. How does it feel to spend your time productively for a change? Wondering how to crack a consulting role at the Big Four? Simply go ahead and attend a live workshop by one of our mentors. Have more time in hand? Well, we always have tons of recorded courses just for our learners. If your college or company is registered with us, you also get exclusive access to premium learning modules. Get learning reminders and never lose out on your chance to top the leaderboard. And if you ever want to feel good about yourself, you can always look at your past learning history and see a detailed view of how you've been spending time on Seekho. And don't get overwhelmed with so many learning modules. For our select members, we provide a well-structured calendar of events so that you can pick and choose what all you want to attend. One more thing, don't forget to get your skills verified. Most of our learning modules are attached with a quiz or a hands-on project that assesses your knowledge and shows you where you stand. If you manage to beat the test, you get a verified skill on your profile. Woohoo! We are proud of you! Need some extra motivation? You have a community of 25,000 plus members around you at all times. Discuss about Apple's new product or the most recent IPO. Get answers to anything and everything. You've been a good student so far, hence, we're soon bringing to you our talent board to showcase our top learners to the recruiters. We've never really believed in resumes, and that's why it will always be about you and your intent to learn. Seekho has literally everything you've ever asked for. Download the app now.